What is my number one tip for the New South Wales placement test that students have to sit if they want to get into a selective high school? Well, really the number one thing is that most students, they think just doing tutoring, just doing practice questions, that's all they need to do to succeed. But the reality is that all that actually matters is for each section of the exam, understanding what questions can appear. Because the New South Wales Placement Test, they don't randomly change it from year to year. There's a lot of the same questions that come up again and again and again. So for a section like thinking skills, for example, you want to understand the 4 main categories of questions. You want to understand all the different ways they assess these categories. And you just want to make sure that you have an exam strategy, which is a proven process that you follow when you see these questions, so you can get them correct, but also correct very quickly as well. This really is the key thing to focus on. If you know all the different types of questions that can appear on the exam, you have exam strategies, which means you know exactly what to do to get them right quickly as well. Then it doesn't matter really where you're starting from in your preparation. You can get to the standard you need to do well on the exam and get into one of these schools. And so the number one tip for success: understand the questions that come up year after year. Make sure you have exam strategies for them, and that's going to give you the best chance of success of getting into one of these schools.